But, Madam Thistlewood, All right. I'll find it. I'll find Jackdaw's cave. This looks intriguing. I should investigate. Lumos. Incendio. Incendio! Revelio. The castle must have been quite stately in its time. This must be the place Anne told me about. No one's been here for ages. Revelio. Incendio. Incendio. Accio. Revelio. Accio. No, that's not it. It's no wonder Anne never found that clue. No. How did you do this, Jackdaw? No, that's not it. Oh, that's done something. It's no wonder Anne never found that clue. You couldn't outwit me, Jackdaw. Now, where's the clue you can find? No. How did you do this, Jackdaw? No, that's not it. It's no wonder Anne never found that clue. Ha! You'll not outfox me, Jackdaw. Revelio. Accio. Revelio. A note from Jackdaw. Anne never found it. So how did he die? Was she to blame at all?
Could it be? Has someone solved my puzzle after all these years? Well done indeed. Richard Jackdaw, at your service.
The Richard Jackdaw. I heard you disappeared years ago. You have some explaining to do.
I do? That was my puzzle you solved. What are you doing here?
A retired aura, Helen Thistlewood, told me about a map you stole from Peeves, and then Anne told me about a cave.
You saw Anne? Broke my heart. I had to go on without her. Probably best for her in the end. Dare I ask? How is she?
She was imprisoned in Azkaban for your murder. I fear the Dementors have taken an irreversible toll on her.
What? Azkaban? Oh, poor Anne. I had no idea. I thought she'd written me off. I've been traveling the world for years to mend my broken heart. I came back here only recently. On a whim. I must speak to the aura you mentioned and see how I can help Anne.
I'm glad to hear it. Before you go, would I still be able to find the pages with the map Helen mentioned?
I'm almost certain I dropped them in the cave the moment I was beheaded. They're bound to be mouldering away with the rest of me. Tell you what, meet me at the edge of the Forbidden Forest, and I'll show you precisely where to find them.
If you don't mind me asking, how did you lose your head?
I was having a look about when I suddenly sensed a refreshing breeze, after which I felt, well, lightheaded. That's all I remember. Hence, if you do find yourself in a cave, be prepared. I can't tell you what for specifically, but you seem a perceptive sort. Beware a light breeze.
Helen mentioned Apollonia Black. Did she set up Anne to take the fall?
Have you never met any members of the Black family? They can be rather vindictive. Once Anne showed an interest in me, Apollonia couldn't let it alone. That her own heart had grown cold simply didn't matter.
How is it possible to steal from Peeves? A poltergeist?
I didn't steal the pages from his ghostly form. I merely found them in his wake of destruction. He has a penchant for wrecking things. Books, bottles, suits of armor, whatever's likely to cause the most chaos. Found them on the floor outside the library where he discarded them. Not my luckiest find, all things considered.
Thank you. I need to find those pages to help a friend.
I shall see you there.
What do you have in store for me this time? Not so tricky after all.
Confringo! You'll feel that tomorrow. Don't think you last that long.
Accio.
You like a streeler! It isn't Nora Treadwell's guardian angel. Afraid to take a hit, are you?
Potato! It's in the clouds, this one!
Incendio.
Oh, still you.
Stupid one.
Head up, Chuck.
Incendio. Revelio.
Appropriately made. This is utter nonsense. You can't roll your way out of this. You. No.
Revelio. Revelio.
Here I am, as good as my word.
We meet again, Richard Jackdaw.
I suppose I shouldn't be surprised to see you. It would take the patience of a Hufflepuff to track down these pages.
Well said. Now, where do we go from here?
Follow me. I shall lead you as far as I can, but I fear I may remain a tad reluctant to revisit the scene of my demise. Keep your eyes open for a bird bath. When you find it, say intramuros. I think it's Latin. Or Greek. As you can imagine, I never paid much attention in school. Shall we?
Aside from the bird bath, anything else I should look for?
Indeed. A few landmarks, a stone bridge, a waterfall, and, if I recall, a lake. You'll see.
You've been very helpful. Thank you.
Surprising how much of this is, rather unfortunately, coming back to me. Yes. You know, the closer we get, the more I'm remembering. Probably best I leave you to it. Simply stick to the path and keep a sharp eye out for that bird bath. Adieu. Is that Latin? Or Greek?
Potato! Stupefy! Stupefy!
I've always said that travel broadens the mind.
The waterfall. For a thief, Jackdaw's surprisingly as good as his word. Something oddly solemn about this place. Such regal creatures, stags. There it is, just as Jackdaw described. Intramuros.
Aren't you a little far from home?
Ranrock knew you'd eventually lead us to whatever it is you're hiding. But... never going to win.
There it is, just as Jackdaw described. Intramuros.
Aren't you a little far from home?
Ranrock knew you'd eventually lead us to whatever it is you're hiding.
I'll cut you from shooting. I will make you pay.
No risk those loyalists will report back to Ranrock now. Let's see where Jackdaw has led me. I wonder how big this place is. this leads. Someone didn't want casual visitors down here. I wonder if any of my spells will help me through this.
Potato! Stupefy! 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 Revelio.
If I could summon that platform to me, I could likely get on it.
Stupefy!
I'm glad Richard Jackdaw left a little something behind for me, but where could he be?
Revelio. iCUE.
That's odd. I'd have thought Jackdaw would have been interested in this loot, but there's no sign of him.
Revelio.
I'm not gonna touch those. Ugh!
Potato!
Another puzzle. But if Jackdaw can solve this, so can I. Perhaps the next symbol is hidden somewhere.
Revelio.